Today I am showing video how to fix Huawei Y5 2019, no power, no charging, red light only. This phone, it was before water damage. After water damage, no power, not charging. I was before open it all everything to make short video. Now I am showing video step by step how to can fix any phone if water damage, no power, full short. Many people are asking about Huawei, no power, only red light indicator. This case, especially if your board going short in hardware case, if your phone board going PCC main short, look, I will checking by meters. BCC going short, full short, battery, BCC going short. For that are no power, phone not charging. Now how we can fix this if your phone BCC going full short? I connect power supply. Sometimes if you connect power supply BCC connector, phone going short if any components are hot, but I connect power supply, no any area are shorted inside. Before any phone, if you find the BCC main short, check step by step capacitor near the battery connector BCC main, and check also power IC any capacitor if short. Especially 95% phone are going short about components capacitor are going short. I check it all the area is clean. Now I remove the steel of network section. Oh no, look inside, too much water carbonate, water damage. Sure, for this are going any IC or capacitor are going short, no power. Now I trying to clean board. After cleaning board, we check again diameter. This is the main if still short or normal. No, still for board is going short. showing short. PCC main short. It's not working. Now I will try one by one whose capacitor are going short, whose IC are short. Inside, before we show it, the network section are too much water damage. I will try to remove near the capacitor, then I will try again by meter. After remove near the capacitor, I will try again meter. It's working. Now BCC main going normally. Battery connector positive is going normal. It's mean phone is working normally. Now look, this capacitor are going short. Here from there I remove 3 capacitor. I install 2 capacitor and 1 going short. Just I put it, I said 2 capacitor is and whose capacitor going short, I just remove it. Showing normal. Now we set the body and check the plug-in battery, LCD, all board is working or no, because now going phone board is showing normally without short. Before it was showing short on board. I connect charger because phone was before short, battery empty, battery blank. Red light only, yes, working. Wait few seconds, few minutes. Yes, charging phone. It's been working. Our phone is normally need to 10 or 20 minutes to charging battery 10 or 5%, then we will start a phone.